What if I tell you that getting a business loan can take 10 minutes instead of 10 days? Sounds surprising, right? Let's break it down. If you're a business owner, you've probably heard this question. Digital loans or traditional loans? What's actually better? Let's start with traditional loans. Traditional loans usually mean visiting bank branches, long paperwork, multiple documents, and waiting days or even weeks for approval. You submit physical documents and even after endless follow-up, you hear one answer. Sir, process चल रहा है. Now, let's talk about digital loans. Digital loans के नाम से ही you might understand. It's fast, online and paperless. No physical documents, no endless follow-up, and sometimes approval can come within a few hours. Now, let's compare them side by side. Traditional loans take time, but digital loans quick होते हैं, often with same day approval. Paperwork. Traditional loans में documents का bundle submit करना पड़ता है, but digital loans में financial data और digital records के basis पे loan होते हैं. Convenience. Traditional loans में आपका बैंक में physically available होना important होता है. बार बार KYC और वेरिफिकेशन के लिए बैंक जाना पड़ता है और बैंक के वर्किंग आवर्स भी फिक्स्ड होते हैं. डिजिटल लोन्स में घर बैठे बैठे आप लोन के लिए अप्लाई कर सकते हो एंड KYC एंड ऑल अदर वेरिफिकेशन डिजिटल और ऑनलाइन तरीके से होती है. एलिजिबिलिटी चेक्स. ट्रेडिशनल लोन्स फोकस हेवीली ऑन कोलैटरल एंड मैनुअल चेक्स, but on the other hand, digital loans focus on real business performance, cash flow and repayment behavior. But here's the most important part. सारे business loans एक तरह के नहीं होते हैं. At Tally Capital, we simplify business lending by using data that you already maintain. Less paperwork, faster decisions and smarter loan offers. So, the real question isn't digital or traditional anymore. It's this. Do you want a loan that supports your business or one that delays it?
If you found this video helpful, do subscribe to our YouTube channel.